So customer satisfaction is always a big topic when you work with clients. So in this video I want to really quickly tell you how you can always get good feedback from your clients and really get the value to them so they are happy and satisfied with what they are getting. So there are a couple of principles. I just want to run you through them really quickly, and yeah, let's start with the first one. So the first one is under promise and over deliver. So what does this mean? You want to make a strong promise to your clients, so you get clients on board to work with, but you want to over deliver on what you've promised. So make a promise strong enough so that you get enough clients, but the delivery should be even higher than that. This creates this kind of surprise effect for the clients. So they value your time more, they value their investment more, they get more than they expected. This gets you great feedback, this can get you great testimonials, referrals. This really gets the whole business compounding if you do it right. So don't underrate the real power of under promising and over delivering. Then the next one is, I really quickly touched on it already, it's the power of creating a surprise. So maybe this also is a part of over delivering, but maybe you create a quick template or an introduction video or an action booklet or something like that, a PDF document with a rundown of 3 different systems that you give people when they start, when they get onboarded. This immediately increases retention because they get value they didn't expect instantly. So this is the surprise effect. If you use this correctly, you will have way longer retention and way higher customer satisfaction. And the third one would be, this applies to every single business all around the world. If you don't do this right, nobody will buy. So it's that the value of what you're selling always has to be higher than the price what you're selling it for. What does this mean? The value is defined by what the customer perceives it is worth. So if you, let's say you're running ads for somebody else, you get paid $4,000 per month on retainer. Is that valuable? Is your skill valued so highly for this company? Is your work actually worth this? Really think about that. So you want to create a value to price discrepancy so that it is a no-brainer to buy at this price. You get so much for it that this price is immediately worth it. So let's say you get offered a brand new Ferrari for $500. No matter what kind of Ferrari this is, no matter what kind of spec or color or whatever, you will get those $500 within 1 hour as fast as possible to just buy. Let's apply this to your product. Let's make your product so valuable to the customer, the client, the consumer, the person you sell to, that they want to buy as fast as possible because they know that the value is so high. Now you can try this and fail at it at first because you have no trust, no testimonials. This increases the value of your services, increases when you have a personal brand that you can leverage, that you can drive traffic. Now, if you have trust, if you have testimonials, if customers come from referrals because they know already that this is working, these things can increase value. So always keep those things in mind. Under promise and over deliver. Create a surprising effect that nobody expected, and then always make the value of your product, service, whatever, way higher than the price. If you can get this value to price discrepancy as big as possible, this drives people to buy. I hope you understand that. Apply it today and keep building.